What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna hop right into it, and we're gonna start off with our protein for these birria tacos. I'm gonna use these beautiful king oyster mushrooms, and I'm just gonna start off by shredding them with my So unfortunately, a few of my clips got deleted, so I won't be able to show you the cooking process of this. But on the bright side, it's absolutely easy and stress-free. All you're gonna do is throw this liquid into a pot over medium heat and just stir it consistently until it gets to the form that you would like, and that is it. It's literally gonna happen so fast, y'all. Just give it about 5 minutes tops. So I'm spreading my mushrooms out evenly on the pan. I want them to be kind of crispy in a way, so it's going to take a little longer than usual. That's why this color, this brownish fawn color is appearing. Don't be too scared of it. It's all a part of the process. Next, go ahead and add some of that good consomme on top. And if you're really feeling spicy, add some more of that hot and spicy taco seasoning if you dare. these vegan birria tacos with a spicy consomme sauce on the side. Happy Taco Tuesday. Feel free to like, subscribe, share this video if you loved it. Also, you all, I am so excited to say that I have officially launched my new website. So you can find this current recipe as well as plenty of others at www.kelskitchenpresents.com. Thanks, y'all. See you in my next video.
There were no pots and pans hurt in this video. You can find them at walmart.com or tasty.com. Yeah, they got that good stuff.